Hey everyone, today we are tackling a massive legal battle that's happening right now between creators and AI companies. And it all comes down to one big question. Can AI companies legally use millions of books, articles, and creative works without permission or payment? Uh, that's a big deal. And people are really mad about it. And this fight centers around something that is called transformative use. And that's a legal concept that has suddenly become really, really important in the AI age. In copyright law, transformative use is part of the fair use doctrine that allows a limited use of copyrighted material without permission when it is turned into something with a new purpose. So, if you can remember when Google scanned millions of books to create a searchable database, courts finally said Google won, and it was considered legal transformative use because Google created something new, which was a search tool. It didn't allow you to download entire books. And in fact, it didn't replace the need for the original books. And it actually helped people find more books to buy, which was great for authors and publishers and used bookstores ultimately. But AI is a little different. And AI companies are trying to make that same argument. This is just transformative use. We're not actually publishing these works, they say. We're just using them to teach our AI systems language patterns. And then the AI creates something entirely new, and our final product is completely different. I mean, if you think about it, if they trained millions and millions of books and they put it all in one big pot and they stirred it around and somebody's using AI, whatever comes out of that AI is going to come out of the most common patterns used in those books. It's not going to be able to pull a whole book out any more than, say, somebody who dumped a bunch of marbles on the floor would it be able to bring together the original set of blue ones. Or could I'm not sure. Uh, I think it's a big question. So the AI then will create entirely new content, but the final product is completely different from the text that it actually learned from. Fair. But creators, they're not buying this argument. Authors, publishers, and companies like the New York Times argue that these AI systems are specifically designed to reproduce our writing style, our facts, our expressions, our turns of voice. But unlike Google Books, which help people actually find our work, AI is generating content that it's directly competing with creators in the marketplace. So why would anyone pay for a book or the newspaper when AI can just serve up something new and cheaper? And so this isn't really a technical debate. Real careers and industries hang in the balance. For authors and journalists, if AI can generate unlimited content that mimics their style without compensating them, how will they earn a living? And for publishers, if AI can generate news articles, stories, or even whole books, will people be still paid for professional content? Well, geez, would Random House? No, they would. Anyway, if AI companies had to license every work they use for training, would AI development become too expensive to continue? Would they train it on maybe something that's not so smart? Anyway, this battle forces us to really ask some profound questions. How do we balance innovation with protecting creative professionals? And what's going to happen to the quality and diversity of information if professional creation becomes unsustainable?